Hi there, it's Hannah with WTI. I recently tried doing my daughter's hair in braids, and this tool set was so helpful. I don't think I could have done it without it.
This set by Sweet View came with all the tools I needed. It has a regular bristle brush, it has an edging brush, and it has this really nice rat tail brush for parting so I could get all of the lines for her braids really straight. It also comes with Gator Clips, which were so helpful in holding her hair in the different sections until I got to those. Her hair is pretty short and fine still, and those Gator Clips held all of her hair in place really nicely. It also comes with 5 different sizes for crochet hooks, and so these are so nice when you're adding in the hair. You just push that crochet hook through, put the hair on it, and pull that baby back through, and how it's designed makes it go so smoothly. This is her hair when it's all said and done. It turned out really well, I think, and these tools really helped get everything smooth and the hair in place and get the lines as straight as I possibly could. This set has everything you need if you are doing hair. The set has literally everything you need.
And that's my point of view.